If you want a game CPU, look no further than the Ryzen 3 2200G. As a continuation of AMD's APU strategy, this chip combines 4 Ryzen CPU cores with 8 of AMD's powerful Radeon Vega computing units. A solid performance chip that can play PC games without the need for a graphics card. The Ryzen 3 2200G handles electronic sports titles such as Fortnite, Dota 2, League of Legends and Rocket League with ease and converts at surprisingly good speeds even in AAA games like Destiny 2 and Rise of the Tomb Raider. You may have to modify some graphics settings and perhaps recover the game resolution to 720p for best results, but you can make the vast majority of games work between 30 and 60 frames per second with some tweaks. You can improve your gaming experience by pairing the chip with an affordable FreeSync monitor to soften tearing and stuttering, such as the Asus VG245H 1080p, and faster memory as the chip uses the RAM of your system to power the Radeon graphics. Ideally, you'll want 8 GB of 2.933 MHz or 3.200 MHz of RAM for better results, but lower speeds still work.